Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare tomato sauce for yam. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 5 to 6 medium-sized ripe tomatoes, 1 large onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget your cooking oil, salt, black pepper, and perhaps 1 bouillon cube to enhance the flavor. These simple items form the delicious foundation of our sauce, perfect for pairing with soft, boiled yam. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. First, thoroughly wash your 5 to 6 tomatoes and roughly chop them before blending until you achieve a smooth puree. Next, take your large onion and finely dice it, along with mincing your 2 cloves of garlic. If you're adding a bell pepper or a bit of heat, chop those as well. Proper preparation ensures a smooth and flavorful cooking process. It's time to cook our delicious sauce. Heat about 3 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a medium-sized pot over medium heat. Once hot, add your finely diced onions and minced garlic, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant and translucent. Then, carefully pour in your blended tomato puree. Let this simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Almost done. Now, let's season our sauce to perfection. Crumble in 1 bouillon cube, add about a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything thoroughly to combine the flavors. Continue to simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly. Your rich, homemade tomato sauce is now ready to be served warm, perfectly complementing your soft, freshly boiled yam. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.